aloe vera that produces gel and also one of the rooting hormones and also a medicinal plant. You do not need to worry about watering every day, and this is a low maintenance and a permanent plant. The easy to grow succulent. Today in this video you will see how to grow aloe vera healthily and easily. So watch until the end. This is Tamara from Tamara's Garden. Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel. Here are some of my plants collection of aloe vera. You can see this is in a terracotta large pot. So they fit into medium to large size pots, friends. So now here I have many plants in it. Look at this. So these are drought tolerant plants, belong to the family of succulents. You don't need to water them on regular basis because they store water in their leaves. Look at this plant. So I didn't go to treat these plants for a long time. When you see dried leaves, you have to remove them from the plant. Here are some dried leaves, and also due to the rain many leaves are falling due to the rain. So when you keep them in the outdoor garden, no overwatering, and when they get drenched in the rain, this is happening. You can see there are fungi also developing in the leaf. Here is another aloe vera plant which I have kept outdoors in a storeroom, and this purifies the air as well. So you can see plant leaves are comparatively light green because this is not exposing too much sunlight. When you keep this plant completely outdoors in bright light, the leaves will be very thin and also they will turn to yellow color. So if you keep them in the semi shade or the partial to medium sunlight area, the leaves will be green. So talking about fertilizer for these plants, you can use any fertilizer and also mix some compost in the soil. So you can use tea or coffee fertilizer which is high in nitrogen, or any fertilizer of your choice. So that's about growing aloe vera plant very healthily, and this is an air purifier and also a medicinal plant and a must-have plant. So have this plant in your garden. As gardeners, we use the rooting hormone of aloe gel for plants. So this is very useful in gardening too.